Hello, lovely students. Welcome back once again to this great channel. Yes, do subscribe because we have a lot of educative videos and lessons for you. Today, I want to start with lesson 1 on hydrometer. So, let's say if I want to determine the density or the relative density of a given liquid, then it becomes so simple that I can ignore calculations. An instrument has been designed to solve that problem, and that instrument is the hydrometer. So a hydrometer is an instrument that we use to measure the density or the relative density of a liquid. So that is what we have here, right? So let us take note of that. Very, very interesting. We use it to measure the density or the relative density of a liquid. So take note. And this is the diagram of a hydrometer. When you check the diagram on the internet, you find different diagrams, but this is what I got to show you. And this first diagram we have here is a hydrometer with a uniform cross section. Why are we saying uniform cross section? Uniform cross section here means that when you check over here, you can clearly see that you don't have, look at the stem. Let me first try and label the parts for you. This is the stem. Okay, we call this because it's calibrated, I'll call it calibrated stem. And this is this black thing inside, we call it the lead. It's made of lead shot. The lead shot enables the hydrometer to stand erect. So when you place it in a liquid, it is able to stand erect in the liquid. Then outside here, what is contained in what is holding the lead shot, we call it the bulb, right? So basically that is what we have. So you can see that the stem, check everything over here, is uniform. There is no place bigger than the other. So we can say this is what a hydrometer with a uniform cross section. So in calculations where they are asking or they are saying, talking about hydrometer with uniform cross section, this is what we mean by that. Right, then let's move on. Whatever if we are talking about non-uniform cross section, a hydrometer with a non-uniform cross section is also what we have here. So you can see that for non-uniform cross section, some parts are bigger than others, right? So taking this one for example, you can see that it has gotten this wide part. What is it? This part is bigger, okay? And you can see that this part is what? Smaller. I hope you are following. So we can call this one a hydrometer with a non-uniform cross section. And the parts have also not changed. This is still the calibrated stem. Sorry for the spelling. This is the bulb. This is the lead shot. Inside is the lead shot. And outside is the bulb. So you can pause the video. You can pause the video for a while and then try and see if you can draw the parts.